how to buy CatiCorn token. So this token came under the symbol of CatiCo. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex accounts and keep following the updates about this token. So if you click on their website, you will be able to see this. So if you go to CoinSnapper and open their websites, you will see this pre-sale page, as you can see. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see here, you need to connect your wallet. For that, select your wallet. Now after that, connect your wallet. And now you will be able to select the token that you want to buy with, or select the network first. So after you select the network and the token that you want to buy with, now enter how much you want to buy. So for example, if you select here, choose your preferred network. For example, I will select the BNB Smart Chain. Now you need to switch the network from your wallet to that network that's selected here. So click on approve. After that, select the token, for example, USDT. Now here type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you receive. After that, because I don't have any funds on my wallet, I can't be able to see buy now for here. So if you click on buy now, you will be able to buy this token. Just follow simple steps to buy this token on your wallet. So after that, the pop-up will appear here of your wallet to confirm the transaction, and you will be able to buy it on your wallet. So this is how to buy CatiCorn token. If you find it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.